Back. We're glad you're still with us here on Morning at 10 TV. For those that are just joining us, it's Takenote segment, and we want to understand how the Forex landscape is for now. It's a global decentralized market for trading currencies, and in the bustling financial background that never sleeps, that is being operational 24/7. Whether you are a seasoned trader or one who is simply curious about Forex and how that can help improve your finances, you're most welcome. This is your conversation. I'm joined by Daniel Ahikyirize, founder of the Daniel Forex Bulls Academy. Many thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Great.
And this is probably the third time now talking about the trading space.
All right.
And I think this is a very perfect time to even create much more awareness.
No doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah. You come on the backdrop of a struggling economy.
Yes.
Individually, there are people out there who want to understand, how can I make money? Forex is a very ready avenue to make some money, trading currencies and playing about with the modalities of raise in value of the other against the other. If you don't mind, take me through the beginners. How can I do this? How can I do Forex trading? And what does it mean?
Yeah. So as you mentioned, Forex is much more of trading money, currencies. You're trading, say, the Ugandan shilling for the dollar, just like what happens. Say you go to a Forex bureau and you're exchanging money. So this is an open global market that anyone can actually trade. Anyone can get in and be able to make money. So disregarding the economic changes and whatever is happening, you know, things changing, anyone can actually make money with trading. So I think the point of discussion at the moment is now, how can anyone get in, right? Because I think people still lack the understanding of anyone can actually start trading, and I think I'm here now to create much more
awareness
about the trading space. So first things first, anyone can start trading, whether you're illiterate, and I often try to highlight this even much more with, say you're employed and you want to get a side job on the side or a side hustle and you're able to make money, or you want to start up an online business, this is the right space to get in. So why do you even need? I think everyone literally now has all the resources. If you have your phone, you're good. And there's a lot of information on YouTube where anyone can actually learn trading. So I wouldn't even want to go much into the technical side of trading, whatever, you know, this and that and that. But the thing is,
the technical part is very complicated. Sometimes I grapple to understand shorting.
It's actually complicated. But if someone says, "Okay, I want to learn," they're going to learn, and it's easier to understand. You don't need a lot of math, because I've actually gotten a lot of people ask, "Oh, Daniel, I just, left school. I'm doing this and that. Can I be able to start trading? I'm doing, a side business. I want to start trading." Anyone can actually start. So it's making up your mind and understanding that, look, this actually works, because there's still that, I feel like people still don't believe in online businesses. And for us who have actually made it in that space are now here to say, look, this works. Now, I've been trading for about 4 years now. Starting off, I was about 19. So you can imagine at 19 years old, I don't know, young, average, I'm from an average background and all that. But now at this point, 4 years down the road, I would say I've really reached milestones. I've done all the good things. But most importantly, I've also helped young people make a living. Now, when I started, obviously, no one believed in this. You're telling this one about trading. Oh, online businesses are all scams. And it's very okay for anyone to say that because, I mean, they have no understanding about this. And that's what has been happening. But if it has actually worked, say for me and for other thousands of young people, by the way, I believe you've heard about trading even away from me, right? I feel like at this point it's much more spreading out because we have now people getting results. We have young people making a living off this. I've interacted with many university students.
So, and I know there's a lot around it, but how do I trade?
So how you trade? Well, just as I mentioned, as long as you have your phone with you, you're going to have a trading platform, and you're good to go. So let me just give a very better example. It's just like how you go to the bank and you're trying to say save money or keep money, right? So in trading, we have an intermediate in there, and we call that a brokerage company.
A what?
A broker.
A broker.
Yeah, or a brokerage company.
Brokerage company.
Yeah, and at the moment there's none in Uganda, but there are more global regulated brokers. And as a trader, they're going to open up
so
a trading account.
who is occupying that space?
At the moment in Uganda, we don't.
We are playing in a vacuum.
Yeah, so that's a business opportunity though. So there's no broker in there. And
all right.
All we have to do now is to use global regulated brokers because they're regulated even in Uganda, and we are able to trade. So if anyone wanted to start trading, they would only have to open up a trading account with a broker, and then install a trading platform. It's just like how we install social media platforms. But this time around, it's a trading platform, meaning you could actually be scrolling through your social media, get back to your trading platform, you're making money either. So such a better way of living.
All right, let me ask the simple question. The how of making the money. For example, I have with me 100,000 Uganda shillings, and I want to begin the trading business. If I am to choose, what other currency do I buy, and what are those pointers that I use to decide either I go for the dollar, the euro, or the RMB? Okay,
so a better understanding of that is currencies are closely related to the economy of a country. So if, say, the economy is getting better, say in Uganda, the economy is getting better, things are going good, the Ugandan shilling is going to gain value.
That's right.
So to we as the traders, it's now our opportunity to capitalize on it and buy. Because it's, say you bought land at 10 million and you know, say in a year it's going to raise in value. So it means you bought it at 10 million and probably 2 years from now it's going to be, say, 20 million. So you profited. So that's like a better understanding. Meaning if someone bought a Ugandan shilling now and we know it's going to raise in value, then probably a week from now it's going to be much better. So meaning you're selling off higher and you're making profit of that. And same thing if it's selling, again, you have to look out for, say, what's determining the economy. Is it going down? Are things getting worse? Just like a brief example is like, say, countries like the other time when we had a war in Ukraine. So people trading the euro would be selling. So either ways you're making money, whether the currency is going up or down, whether the economy is getting better or worse, because we are buying and selling.
All right.
So anytime, anywhere. 24/7, yeah.
Your last one, and the Bulls Academy platform.
So at the moment we look at creating much more awareness and educating everyone out there, and we have actually taken this to a much bigger level that we had to open up much more of a physical office.
All right.
Because this is online, but now people need to know that, okay, this is how you trade physically. You have your phone, and we're now showing you on how to trade. And that's how I came up with the idea for Forex Bulls Academy. So at the moment, we have actually trained very many people, created millionaires, Ugandan millionaires, and it's pretty amazing stuff. So for anyone who would love to start trading, you can actually go over on YouTube, search out, say, for Forex trading in Uganda, and there's a lot of content. Or search out for Forex Bulls Academy, and you're going to learn a lot of content completely for free.
All right, Daniel Ahikyirize, a founder of Daniel Forex Bulls Academy. Many thanks for opening our eyes to economic opportunities.
Sure. Thank you so much for having me.
All right. And that will do it for the Takenote. I hope we do gain the hunger to make money. I always want to use that word, making money, because that's the language we understand best. All right, our very first ritual as we sign out today. Happy birthday.